everybody. My name is Jara and I want to welcome you to my channel if this is your first time here. If you are a returning viewer, hey, what's up, what's up? Thanks for clicking on this video. This video, as you can tell from the title, is a empties video. I love watching empties videos, and every time I make a empty video, YouTube algorithm doesn't seem to like it. I don't get a lot of views, but you know what? I'm going to keep trying and I'm going to keep doing it because I enjoy it. So yeah, here we go. So let's look at my junk. I have a basket full of junk and there's no order, and I'm going to try to go fast. And here we go with the first thing. I'm just going to randomly pick things out of the basket and show it to you. So I finished up this Listerine mouthwash. I finished up a Olay Fresh Outlast Pineapple and Coconut Water body wash. This was okay. It is not a repurchase. As far as this green tea and mint Listerine mouthwash, it is not a repurchase for me. I didn't really particularly care for the taste of the green tea. I love this deodorant right here. This is a secret weightless dry spray in the fragrance vanilla. I love this. I think it's discontinued. I can't find it anymore. I love this deodorant. We'll buy it again if I ever do see it. This is a Dodo Osan black soap. I finished up a bar of that. I like this black soap. This is a Milani face oil in chamomile, and it looks like this. If I could ever find one of these again, I will most certainly purchase it again. I do like this Milani face oil. I also have my favorite mouthwash of all time from Listerine. This is the Grapefruit Rosé. I will purchase this again. Then I have this Nivea oil infused lotion in vanilla and almond oil. I really like this and will repurchase this again. And then another lotion that I finished this summer is this Hempz blueberry, lavender, and chamomile lotion. I have a backup bottle of this, so yeah, I will repurchase this again. I loved it. It has a nice fruity scent to it, and love it. And then I finally finished up this Ulta Beauty coconut cream body lotion. This is a very, very lightweight lotion, you guys. I've heard a lot of people say that they do not like lighter lotions, but when you are perimenopausal, or you're having hot flashes, or you're just the type of person that you get hot a lot, a thin lotion is ideal. Try it. So yeah, I would use a lightweight lotion when I'm having hot flashes often or something like that, because if you guys understand, if you're perimenopausal and you have hot flashes, it's a very unique feeling. You have this internal heat coming through. Even if you take a shower, sometimes you get out of the shower and you're sweating and you're having a hot flash, but yet you still want to moisturize your skin and you don't want to feel like you're smothering your skin. Try a lightweight lotion. So that's what this is. And I will buy another Ulta Beauty body lotion because they are thin, and then I like that. Okay, you guys, my memory card went full on me, so I had to put a new memory card in. So I'm not sure exactly where I left off. Then the next thing is this Vaseline Cocoa Glow. I used all of this up. It's not my favorite, so I just started using it mostly on my feet to keep my feet moisturized. A lot of times if there is a lotion that I don't particularly care for, I would use it to moisturize my feet, maybe my elbows. So yep, this is not a repurchase for me. Then I used up this Lubriderm Advanced Therapy Intensely Hydrates for extra dry skin. This product right here, I will repurchase this again. I like it. This is probably my umpteenth bottle of this stuff. So, yep. And this is a face cream here that I like by Equate. It's an oil-free beauty face cream. I like this. I have repurchased this product numerous times and will continue to do so. It's very economical and it's a nice face cream. Then I finished up, this is just the bottle that Milani Chamomile face oil was in. You can see I can't get this little bit out, so that. I also have my Collagen Moisturizer from Equate. This is a staple in my beauty regimen. It's very moisturizing. It's good for people who have dry skin. I will repurchase another one of these in the future. I have 2 backups as I speak right now. So yes, this is a staple. Then I used up my favorite hair shampoo by Pantene. It's the Deep Hydrating Cold Wash. It looked like this. This is my main shampoo that I use on my hair. It's very thick and creamy. If you have thin, fine hair, you may find that this will weigh your hair down. But for me, it works great. It allows me to be able to comb through my hair when it's wet. And yeah, the detangling process is not that bad when I use this Gold Series Co-Hydrating Cold Wash. Will buy it again. Love it. Another bottle of another jar of this Collagen Moisturizer here from Equate. I use this stuff very liberally, okay? I just slather it on when I feel like my face is very, very dry, okay? I used up a Vaseline Cream Brulee. It looks like this little baby right here. This is what I use on my lips. I finally finished up this La Octane hand cream right here. So you guys, if you've been with me for a while, this was in a lot of my what's in my bag videos. So yep, love it. Will repurchase. I love La Octane hand cream. It is my favorite, hands down, my favorite hand cream that I've come across so far, but it's a bit pricey. Like they try to sell this little tube of hand cream for like $12 and up. So yeah, I really like it. I finished up a L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. It's okay. If I see it and it's on sale, I'll probably buy it again. Then here is a Ulta Beauty Lash Evolution mascara right here. I didn't finish this product. I hated it. It went on kind of clumpy, and I just don't like this product right here. Hated it. Will not buy another one. Then I finished up a tube of my favorite toothpaste. It's Sensodyne. Yeah, I have sensitive gums, so this is my staple toothpaste. This is what I use. Then I used up a Tree Hut Watermelon Shea Sugar Scrub right here. Loved it. I have a backup. 2 more items, guys. I finished up this bottle of perfume, Britney Spears Sunset Fantasy. This is a 3.3 ounce bottle. I really enjoyed it. It's equal to like a Bath and Body Works fragrance mist in my opinion. It's not long lasting, but I did enjoy it. Last but not least in this empties video is a perfume by Givenchy. It's called Very Irresistible. It was okay. It smelled like rose to me. It is a rose scented perfume. It was okay. I will not buy another one, but you know, I enjoyed it when I used it. When it got to about this empty, I just started using it as an air freshener. Okay. Alright, so you guys, I hope you enjoyed my empties video, and until next time, everybody, stay safe out there. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.